name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco number SD165. This video is to simply give you a visual and dimensional review of this piece of equipment. It's a subcomponent that's used in the construction of their, in particular, their S20 roof hatch. And I'll show you the parts drawing. First, just some basic dimensional properties. The overall length, 1.493, so basically inch and a half. Overall width, 0.638, so about 5/8. The thickness of this item, 0.141, so almost 5/32 of an inch. What is it used for? I am by no means an expert on where this would be used, but what I can help you with is to show it to you visually and dimensionally, and then show you the parts drawing where it comes off of, so that you can determine whether or not this is the item that you need. Let's switch to the screen view now. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Okay, here's the parts drawing that I mentioned. Now this is over here as part number 8, NUT-WELD. It's probably something that gets welded, and I know that it's over here. Yeah, for sure. I'm going to go with part 3 is yeah, sure, it's flashing. I'm going to say that flashing is probably mechanically fastened to this nut, which is welded to the sidewall. Okay. I suppose if you need to be repairing the sidewall and the fastener that holds the flashing on, this part would be important to you. So there you go. This is off the S20 parts drawing, which is linked to down below. And speaking about linked to down below, there's a link to the manufacturer's page within our site where you can pull up not only all of the Bilco items that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as link to their current product catalog, and any encyclopedic documents that we have will list here as well. You know what's worse than losing your Z-axis on your CNC machine? It's not participating in the Architectural Builders Supply March giveaway.